You're gonna record me calling everybody? It's perfect size. It's not too big, it's not too small.
See, that's what I was worried about earlier because he showed me it.
Hello?
It's like, oh good, that's not too big.
Guess what? I'm engaged! I know, but it's for real. I'm engaged. I'm engaged. No. I say it again. I'm engaged. Who wanted to hear? Oh, yeah, put it on speakerphone so I can yell it to them too. Okay. I have to yell it because Wayne and Jordan are in the car too.
See, less people now.
What's good enough to eat? It just makes me want to go. Look how shiny. Guess what? I'm engaged! Yes! Well, now I have a big old fat ring on my finger and it's sparkly. Thank you. We have to decide for sure. We were going to plan it around our cruise and we picked a cruise that we wanted and then it was more money than it said it was.
I thought we weren't telling people that.
Oh.
What cruise?
But so we have to maybe pick something else. But but yeah, so we don't have a date for sure. Caribbean. Yeah. So yeah, we will announce a date soon though. I know, we're gonna go on a 7-day cruise. It will be good. Oh, sad. From paradise, that's what it's gonna be like. Yeah, because it'll be good. It'll be good. You should see the ring. I'll show you.
Oh my God, they scared me.
Maybe I should come over earlier so I can show you guys. Maybe we'll come over today. Oh, never mind. Oh, cool. Nice, 5th row. Cool. Well, I'm gonna call and tell everyone else too. Thank you. Oh, Jordan. You should see this hunkin' rock. I'll show you one day. One day. Thanks, Jordan. I love you. Bye. Okay.